We are all aware that all organisms are different. But have you really wondered what really makes us different? We could differentiate organisms by using taxonomic classification. This includes an arrangement starting from the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. And today, we're going to classify different organisms here in Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus.
Greetings everyone, my name is Clinton Aaron Magnabian and we're here to talk about one of the most beautiful pondfish that you can find here in CBSUA. This species is more commonly referred to in the Philippines by the name koi fish or Japanese carp, with its scientific name being Cyprinus rubrifuscus, an ornamental variety of carp. Is classified into the phylum Chordata with its class Actinopterygii. This species is referred as a freshwater fish since it is often found in ponds, lakes, and slowly moving bodies of water like rivers. Uy, Pre, ikaw na nga muna magpatuloy ng ginagawa ko. Nasisiyar na ako dito na muna ako.
Ha? Ano? I am Ryan A. Elopre at ipagpapatuloy ko na daw ang ginawa ni Aaron. Ano ba yan? Nabigyan pa ng gagawin ni Clinton? Aray ko. Uy, may aso! Now, we're going to talk about the most common domesticated animals in the world. Canis lupus familiaris.
Dog, in Filipino, aso. In Bicol, commonly called Ido, Ayam, or Dayo. Has the scientific name Canis lupus familiaris. It belongs to the phylum Chordata. The dog is classified under the class Mammalia, and dogs usually live in a terrestrial habitat and are commonly found in human household, farms, and communities where they are cared for by people.
Uy, ba't andyan si Rap? Rap, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Uy, eto, pinagpapatuloy yung ginagawa ni Nathaniel at ni Aaron. Ikaw nga muna nito, no, Ronald. Bakit? Nasaan si Clinton? Nasaan si Nathaniel? Ewan ko. Ikaw na lang maghanap. Nasaan kaya si Nathaniel? Nasaan kaya si Clinton? Saan yan pupunta si Rap? Hello, my name is Ronald, and I will continue this activity. We are here in Burmy House, and we will be observing earthworms. This is a Burmy bed where you can find earthworms.
This organism has a common name earthworm, scientific name Lumbricus terrestris, and belongs to the phylum Annelida and class Clytelata, subclass Oligochata. Its habitat is moist soil and commonly found underground where soil is rich in organic matter.
Oh, Deb, hello, where are you?
Oh, Ronald, I'm here at CBSUA Agriville.
Can you help me classify this organism?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I will send you the video.
Philopaludina martensi, commonly known as the river snail or suso, a freshwater gastropod under the phylum Mollusca. It has a soft body, muscular foot, and a hard-coiled shell. Commonly found in rivers, ponds, and rice fields in tropical regions like Philippines.
Boy, anong paborito mong subject?
Zoology. Zoology? Ako din. Boy. May chicks, boy. Uy, may chicks. Ate, ang ganda mo naman. Jack, mukhang kang butiki. Oo, nahulog ka.
Okay lang yan, boy. Because humans and lizards are two different species.
Ha?
Hemidactylus frenatus, or the common house gecko. Here in the Philippines, we commonly call it butiki. This gecko belongs to the phylum Chordata because it has a backbone and other chordate features during development. It is classified under the class Reptilia because it has dry and scaly skin. You can usually find common house geckos in warm tropical environments, especially on ceilings, walls, and trees around our houses.
Homo sapiens or humans or tao belongs to the phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. We are one of the most adaptable species on the earth, so we can live on almost any part on this planet. And here's some additional species that we've found.
Uy, picture.
OMG, wait lang guys!
Ba't ngayon ka lang?
Nag-edit kasi ako kaninang video.
Okay, game. 1, 2... Uy, boy, ikaw.
Ayaw nga pala, ako pa.
1, 2, 3!
Hoy! Teka, ako pa. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.